Hey guys, it's Dale Walker. Here I am with Ratzuki. Well, as you know, I've been working on the wheelie bars, getting them set up. Side panels are painted. Got the 28 by 9 Goodyear on there like I used to run. Yesterday and today I installed the DRL 400 two-step, I call stutter box. Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the high limit up at 13, 5, or 14, and it never turns on, and just use the rev limiter on the Dyna 2000 for my upper. So, just got doing all the wiring, doing all the tests. My electric shifter interrupts, so I had to take it off the coil and bring another switched hot that's not affected. You got to keep that thing fired up all the time. During the pass, you can't interrupt it. And what else? Yeah, I put my old lever back on. The beautiful Maguros are gone, but these look pretty nice. I bead blasted them, clear coated them when I painted my panels. So I got the switch in there. I've got the nice little button that, of course, I can adjust, you know, when you drop the clutch. And it runs down through my relay I've got mounted in here. So power comes up from the third fuse here right into the lever, goes out to the NOS switch that I triggered to the right. That means it's going to complete the circuit and go to the throttle switch that's half throttle, and then turn on the solenoids. With this thing turned off, can't do anything. So yeah, this is the little, I don't have that adjusted yet, but it's enough where I can just, yeah, hear the relay. The relay is on the second wire that's, you know, open or close the opposite direction of the throttle switch. And then the relay does the thing, and it closes the two wires together, which I think is a purple and red, to the stutter box. So, anyway, Ratzuki's looking pretty good. Anxious to get it out there. Maybe this coming Friday's there's actually a divisional race out there on Friday. It's Saturday and Sunday, but Friday's more of a test and tune, less guys. It's actually for a Wally Summit, Division 7 Summit race type thing, I think Saturday. So I'm going to try to go on Friday. And as you know, a whole new can of worms. I'm going to have to adjust the clutch. I'm going to have to adjust the launch RPM. I'm going to have to adjust the little button when everything's armed, when I drop the clutch. I'm going to have to set the wheelie bar heights. I'm going to have to break in a new tire. So it could be a cluster, or I might make a good pass. I still got to adjust the electric shifter. Last time out, it made a couple clean passes NA, and as soon as I tried to spray it, it wouldn't come out of gear. So I got to adjust the shifter a little bit, have it kill a hair earlier, let it drop out of gear. So a lot of things. I don't expect it yet to run clean numbers yet. It'll take a while, but we'll get there. So anyway, let's start it up and give it a little test. I did it once, but let me let you hear it. All right, here goes. Okay, fuel on. Okay, Big Jake, go ahead. Start it one more time, do a little probe on the exhaust pipes just to see the idle. The idle last time with the bigger bowls was loading up a little, or a little richer, even though they say they aren't at the line. So I bumped up all the screws so you can, I don't know how accurate it is, but you can do a little heat check on the header pipes. probably around in this area and see how close they are. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, go ahead, Kurt. That's better. Yeah, this number one, I thought it was. This number one was lagging a little bit. You can't get it perfect, but anyway. Yeah, before it was around, used to idle 17 to 1900, and then it was dropping down last time to, geez, 1100, thought it was going to die. 1100, 12, 1300, so. Now I'm kind of back where it is. I'm going to leave it alone. We'll go to the track, and I'll play with it there. So that's it on that. Guys, well, I might as well show you the wheelie bar for people that haven't seen this. So this is Dale Rattlecan Special. This is the Duplicolor Ford Courant Red. It's on a lot of 90s early Ford trucks and stuff. It's a beautiful color. That's what Ratzuki's painted with. But anyway, this is my original Cosman wheelie bar that was built with the chassis. I just got done powder coating it and assembling it, and all new hardware. Looks sweet, huh? So now I get my new number on there, which is 779 NHRA number. Wish I could have got my old one with 705, but it's long gone. So that's Ratzuki's wheelie bars. Success. A little squirrely in here. So yeah, I'm going to get it out. We got gale force winds outside. I'm going to get it outside tomorrow probably, and put it in gear, kind of feel where the clutch is engaging, turn it clear down to about 3 grand, and adjust a little plunger a little bit and everything, play with that. But anyway, so that's it for now. I'll see you next time.